Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a BMW Alpina Edition D3, and what we've done on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in brand new 10-inch 10.25-inch screen. So it's kept the original look of the system there, and also this is the original one that came with the system, the small 6.5-inch screen. And we've changed it to this big one here. So I'm just going to show you what it looked like before. Okay, so this is what it used to look like before. This is what it looks like now. Obviously it retains the original function of the stereo, so your original Android system is intact still. And also you can switch to the new system using your original buttons on here. So this is the new Alpina Edition screen we got in here. Matches the dashboard as well. Gives you full Android functionality, and also cool functions such as display dash. So you get car information from there shown on here as well, and speed. And also full navigation built in with Google Maps or any other map system you use that you want to download. Because it's running Android, you can access all apps on here. So you got the Play Store here for downloading all your favorite apps, Netflix, Waze and all that. And also got pre-installed apps on here as well. So you can use this as like a phone as well. So you get your browser, so you can browse the internet as well. Also it's got video functionality, so if you want to watch videos on the go, for passenger viewing only. You can see they're all coming through the factory system.
You're different, and I believe everyone deserves a shot at redemption. Do you?
All the sound is through the factory system as well.
Breaking into places and stealing stuff
Are over. What do you want me to do? I want you to break into a place and steal some stuff.
makes sense.
Also, additionally with this, you get is a CarPlay and Android Auto. You can connect your phone up. As you can see, got CarPlay running on here, so you can just connect up your phone to it. It comes with USB, and you can get your favorite apps from your phone shown on the screen. And also all original functionalities, as you saw before, is retained, so you can switch between your original system and the new aftermarket system as well. So yeah, if you want something like this retrofitted on your BMW, it doesn't have to be Alpina Edition, it could be any BMW. We can retrofit screens like this. We take out your old small screen and we can put this new big one in. If you want this done, give us a call on 028-554-5554 or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansel, IG26QA. Thank you for watching the video guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.